Here's how we turned our bathroom into a scene from Euphoria. We started by analyzing the shot, and 5 things stand out. A strong reflection on the right, a unique grid-like bokeh on the left, a single octagonal light source, heavy haze, and monochromatic color grade. Framing was straightforward, we just needed to align the door frames. Once the camera was placed, we set our focus manually to where Mimi needed to stand and then left it there. Leaving it on manual also meant that whatever we were seeing on our external monitor was an accurate representation of the final product. For the reflection on the right, we simply taped white Bristol board to the door with the shiny side facing out. The bokeh on the left took a bit more experimentation. Our first attempt was a grid of tinfoil sheets, but the squares blended together when we tested it. So we scrapped it and rebuilt the grid using black electrical tape to separate the foil. Smaller squares plus the black tape made the bokeh pop. Not as great as the reference, but we were happy with it. For the light source, we needed an octagonal shape, but we didn't own an octabox. So we used duct tape to reshape our softbox. And because the light was so large, we paired it with the smallest light we had, an Amarin Cobb 60. We set the light to 2700 and the camera to 5500. And that got us here. To remove these highlights, we covered the mirror and white walls with blackboards and fabric. Then we blasted the room with haze, and that's where the shot really started to come alive. The last step was the color grade. We used our favorite film emulation power grade, then dropped the exposure and pushed the colors toward a burnt orange. And that's the shot. Click here to see how we recreated Olivia Rodrigo's driver's license in a garage.